Kia ora te iwi, ko Maia tōku ingoa.
Ko Abraham tōku ingoa.
And we will be staying to represent Southern College at the Manu Korero Auckland Regionals held on the 16th of June at Orake Marae.
We would love for you to come along to watch and support the kaupapa. Cheers.
I'm in junior Māori and my kaupapa kōrero is taku patu Māori mana motuhake. It's about how my patu is me and I carry the tikanga and uara of my tupuna.
I'm in junior English doing education can open many doors. It's how education can open doors to your future, and when you stay in education, it will help you in future times.
What made you want to do Manu Korero?
Just to show everyone in Selwyn how good I am at speeches and how confident I am in standing.
I think it can really boost my confidence for future times where this can happen. For example, like cuppas, or another chance I get to speak in front of an audience.
Just the confidence levels. So last year I wasn't confident at all. I didn't like standing in front of crowds. But when I got to Selwyn, I was pretty much forced to stand.
Do you think that's a good thing?
Yeah.
In the long run?
Yeah. For performances, again Polyfest, probably Manu Korero again if I get the chance. It's not easy to stand, but they will see how much fun the actual event itself is, and they'll just push them to feel like they want to stand and give it a go, even if they don't win.
Yeah, and you can also learn from the other speakers, I guess.
Who, some of the people you look up to, role models, people that inspire you, who are they?
Gotta definitely be my mother. She's a hard-working lady, yeah, and she's always been there for me.
Probably my nan, because whatever I do, she just supports me.
Very grateful for you two for stepping up to the plate and taking on this challenge. I've seen you develop, and hopefully you've seen yourself. It's building your own confidence in yourself and your skills and just wrapped. Kei a kōrua, kei a koutou ngā kai kōrero katoa, kei a koutou te mana. So Karawhiua, hara mai e te whānau, tautoko mai.